Hello. Wanted to update you for week 5 with what we are working on and how things are going. I have fielded some questions from some of you. There were particularly questions about counting headlines. Some of the things that you learn in this course are based on a background in journalism during the days of actually printing with offset printers and laying it out. I know when I was the editor of my high school paper, too long ago to mention, we would actually use rub-off letters for the headlines, and then we would have our copy would be printed on these sheets that were sticky on the back, and we would cut them with a straight edge razor and place them on the mock-up sheet, and the paper would be printed. And I know the banner at CBU was done in that fashion too back in those days. So many things in journalism and in copy editing as well are based on a tradition that no longer, maybe it's not exactly the same any longer, because now we have computers and editing has taken on a different role, but yet these traditions remain. In fact, another item like that would be the inverted pyramid, where you have articles that are written with in order of most important to least important. That was done so that people could cut from the bottom of the story if space was a problem. So now we can cut from anywhere in the story, but the tradition of the inverted pyramid is being one of the approved methods of writing a journalistic article. That's still there. So understand, you are really in a fundamental class where you're learning sort of the nuts and bolts of this whole copy editing, journalistic writing situation. But this is something that can really help you if you apply for a copy editing position or another position. And there are many times that knowing that you are a good copy editor can make a difference between you and another candidate. So this knowledge is actually really valuable. So this week, it's again very similar to what we have been doing. You're going to be responding to a discussion board post, a writing assignment, and then 2 workbook assignments. I encourage you, when you hit week 5 in an online class, to look ahead to folder 6, 7, and 8, because we're into the final home stretch. And should you have any questions about the content in those folders, please do send me an email and I'd be happy to help you. Pray that you have a blessed week, and if you have any prayer requests, please let me know. I'd be happy to pray for you.